How to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on restricted mode on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you tap on that, you will be prompted to the Settings section. Now here, you can see the option labeled as Content Preferences. So simply tap on that. And now after that, simply tap on the option labeled as Restricted Mode. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the Turn On button. Now choose your reason for turning on the restricted mode. And once you have selected the reason, simply tap on Submit. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned on the restricted mode on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.